Everybody eats, it's a part of everyone's lives. And sometimes we have to cook for ourselves or for others. And when you're cooking, have you ever gotten a knife and thought, this feels weird? Not all knives are built the same. They might look, feel, or cut differently. Certain knives have a different blade, such as a French knife that is more flat and is better for push cutting, while a German style might be more round and is easier to rock and chop. Thinner knives are better for slicing, however, it makes the blade more delicate. And if the blade is thinner, it's also lighter. A double bevel means that the knife is sharp on both sides of the blade, while a single bevel means one side is flat and it hasn't been touched, it hasn't been sharpened, while the other is sharpened. Single bevel is very sharp and is used to cut fish, like for sashimi, for sushi, but when you're trying to cut things such as carrots straight, it tends to move to the one side. Blade types are important, however, blade material is something to give a bit of consideration as well. Steel is different in different knives. Two steels most people choose are stainless steel and carbon steel. Carbon steel will patina, which means that it will get colored and it will, due to the oxidization on the surface, and it will potentially rust over time. Stainless steel will not rust or patina over time. Carbon steel is easier to sharpen and gets sharper than what stainless steel does. Steel hardness is important as well, as the harder the steel, the less maintenance required. However, the edge becomes more brittle and can bend out of shape easier. The weight of knives makes some knives uncomfortable. There are many different feels to different knives, and sometimes even heavier ones might be more comfortable. Handles with a tang design, which means the metal goes through the handle, might be hidden, which, as the name suggests, means that the tang is hidden inside the handle, and a full tang, which means it's visible and you can see the metal run through the handle. Hidden tang is less suited to heavy applications since it's not completely fixed to the handle, it's partly fixed. Materials and handles can differ as well. There are man-made and naturally made materials. Naturally made materials such as wood are more individual or require more maintenance, while man-made materials such as basic plastic are nearly indestructible but lack the personality. There are also a special fiber-made plastic which doesn't carry bacteria, which is good to use in more professional kitchens. The handle types was the 3 points today. And in conclusion, knives have different blades, handles, and materials. Knives all have their own different personalities. They aren't all built the exact same. There's a knife out there that is exactly what you need, but it might not be what the people around you need. But it's a lot easier to find a knife that you need if you remember these 3 points. Thank you.
Excellent.